Yo, bro, let me hit you with something crazy powerful. There's a technique, real psychological stuff, that can make a girl subconsciously start associating you with emotional satisfaction and even attraction. But listen, don't misuse this. This ain't some magic trick. It's psychology. Real, subtle, powerful. I studied this during the final semester of my master's in psychology, and it's combined with something called subconscious hacking from a guy named Derek. Now first, forget everything you think you know about hypnosis. This ain't movie stuff. Real hypnosis isn't someone snapping their fingers and boom, mind control. Nope. In reality, hypnosis is all about suggestion, repeated over time, planted deep in the subconscious. That's the game. And if you play it right, the results are wild. We call this technique Practici-nation. It's all about guiding her emotions up and down, again and again, like a roller coaster. And guess what? The more intense those emotional swings, the more she starts associating you with those feelings. You ever play a tough game, lose 10 times, and then finally win? That win hits different, right? Or when your favorite team is losing the whole match, then makes a crazy comeback in the last few minutes? It's emotional. It's memorable. That's what we're tapping into. Now get this. According to studies, even one from JNE, links in the description, women experience emotional highs and lows way more intensely than men. That's why, even in healthy relationships, some women crave a bit of drama. It's not about being toxic. It's the brain-seeking emotional peaks. Now here's the killer part. If you are the one providing those peaks, if you are the one taking her on that ride, her brain starts craving you. So, how do you do this? There are two ways. Option one, you're not the best at talking? No problem. Your job is to become a listener, and I mean a damn good one. Ask her this: what's the happiest moment you've ever had? Let her talk. Let her feel it again. Smile, nod, be engaged. Then, after a pause, ask, what's the saddest moment you've ever experienced? Let her open up. Go deep. Be there with her. No judgment. Then, lift her back up. Ask about her hobbies, her dreams, her proudest moments, something that fills her with joy. And just like that, you've taken her on an emotional roller coaster with you as the guide. Do that often enough, she'll start associating you with that emotional ride. Now, option two. If you're a talker, same principle, different angle. Tell your stories. Start with a joyful moment, maybe something fun with a close friend. Then shift. Maybe that friend passed away. Talk about the lessons they left you. Then finish with hope. How it changed you, how it made you better. Boom! You've just created emotional highs, lows, and highs again, and she felt it with you. Now, let me guess. You're thinking, but I'm not good looking. I'm broke. I'm not tall. Bro, if you still think that way, no method, no trick, nothing is going to help you. Because at the end of the day, it's not about your looks, not your wallet, not your height. It's about your confidence, your belief in yourself, your willingness to grow. So stop chasing girls. Start chasing your best self. When you level up, everything else starts to follow. Want to build that mindset? Want to become a high-value man? We've got videos for that. Mindset, money, mastery, it's all here. Hit subscribe, lock in, and go become that guy. You got this, bro. Let's go.